babalikan ko yung sinabi mo na may standards ka sa sarili mo. And sometimes, maisip mo na ginawa ko ba lahat ng pwede kong gawin or could I have done it differently? Yun ang tanong ko dito sa impeachment, not on the merits, but from your own standards with the 1 month or so na nangyari na so far ang impeachment trial. Meron bang time na parang hindi mo na-meet ang sarili mong standards?
There is always a temptation amongst us lawyers to stand up, and argue, no, with the senator judges, no. But we can't do that. Kung ang other side, no, lawyers for the other side, and you have an objection, you can stand up and object, no, or make a manifestation. We can't do that, and we can't do that with the impeachment court. So there is a frustration level doon.
Ayun, yun na nga, parang nagigets ko na yun yung patutunguhan. Okay, iwas ulit ako para safe ulit. Balik ako sa 2016, attorney. Madami sigurong hindi nakakaalala, pero may iba sigurong may alam na you ran for senator in 2016 under the ticket of Senator Grace Poe, who was running for president, and Senator Chis Escudero, who was running for Vice President. How was that experience? Siyempre, nangampanya ka all over the country with Sen Grace and Sen Chis. First, yung experience of campaigning, and then second, mamaya punta natin with Senator Chis.
Okay. Well, that was, sabi nga ng mga, well, first we were a very organized campaign, no? And, pero sabi nga ng mga kasama sa campaign, sabi nila, attorney, parang kayo lang nag-i-enjoy. Kasi they were all worried about their survey results, pumapasok na ba sila sa 10 or 12 and all that. I was just enjoying myself. And using it as a platform for my advocacies. No?
What were your advocacies then? Ano yung pinupush mo ba noong 2016?
Well, of course, no, even before they thought of the party list, no, I was really for marginalized sectors, women, even LGBT, no? Women, elders, the elderly, and to me that, and of course, the justice system, no? Because being a practicing lawyer, I knew that even if there were laws there, it is the implementation of these laws, and sometimes access to justice, access to capital. People are poor, and that's why there's criminality. That's why there are drug-related incidents, no? Because
And that's why some people want shortcuts. Kasi ang tagal ng justice system.
correct. But let me say that the reason it was fun was we had a nice slate. No, you will not believe it.
Ilan kayo sa slate?
Tito Sen was there.
Oh!
Tito Sen was there. Win Gatchalian was part of it. Edu Manzano, Manila Mayor was there.
So is the impeachment
Isko
trial
was there.
like a mini reunion? Kasi
Of
kasama mo
sorts.
pala si Senator Soto, Senate President Win Gatchalian.
Pero syempre, respectful tayo. Bawal nga atang mag-smile doon kasi hindi ako ni-smilean eh. Would you believe the one who smiles at me?
Senator Chis.
No, it's just Senator Lapid.
Nagsasmile sa'yo. Hindi nagsasmile sa'yo si Senator Tito Soto? Senator Win
Nasa
Gatchalian?
front row sila eh. So kita na. No,
Poker face talaga sila.
poker face naman sila.
Pero itong tanong ko dyan, the reason why I mentioned you were running in 2016 with the ticket of Senator Grace and Senator Chis is pansin ko lang naman na syempre medyo mabait sa'yo si Senator Chis. Correct me if I'm wrong. And sabi mo hindi nagsasmile si na Senator Soto, pero si Senator Chis minsan natatawa or nagsasmile sa antics mo.
I think na-amuse lang sila sa akin. Ano?
Naging close ba kayo ni Senator Chis noong 2016
We
campaign?
were all very close during the campaign. Because, we were close. We were close. Dick Gordon was also there. Dami kaming close eh.
But it doesn't affect yung relationship nyo ngayon that you have to be more professional and impartial with the senator judges. Since you campaigned with Senator Soto, Senator Gatchalian, sabi mo naging close ka with Senator Chis, wala namang impact sa
No, in fact,
impeachment.
I'm more mindful of trying to be more respectful.
with the
With
senator
the-
judges na kilala mo?
With the impeachment court, with
With
the
the
whole
impeachment
impeachment court. Because I mean,
Careful ka na sa lagay na yan. Baka sabihin ng iba, careful na sa lagay na yan si Atty.
you should
LPP.
see me. You should see me misbehave, Jessa.
Wait, what's an example of a misbehaving Lorna Kapunan?
Oh, the decibel level is high. Maririnig mo ako sa next courtroom.
Oh my God.
Lumalabas sa mga clerks of court, sa mga ano nila.
To watch your courtroom.
Yes.
Eh, what does the judge say during that instance? Na ang ano na pala,
Nasasapawan ng judge. Because, syempre, then the judge will say recess, or the judge will say
suspension.
suspension, or sa court to, no?
But, sorry, syempre, yung mga...
But you know, Jess, I'm older than most judges, eh. When I said nga, I finished law in 1978. One judge told me, "Oh, that's when I was born." Parang,
yung isa mong under bar sa law firm mo, si Attorney Lasherda, sabi, 1978, third year, ano lang ba siya noon? High school.
oh,
Oo. Hindi pa ako pinapanganak noon, Attorney.
I know,
I have to say sorry.
I know. You're probably,
1986.
oh yeah, you're
It's,
probably as old as one of my sons.
But you know, the reason why I asked that yung behaving relationship mo with senator judges, and you saying na you're older than most judges and even most of your peers, no? Is that does that contribute to sometimes, no? And ako, this is me being more critical. Baka may iba kasi na sinasabi, behave ka na pala sa lagay na yan, pero sa tingin nila, you're already misbehaving. Ang tanong ko, is it really the age that gives you the gravitas that sometimes makes you get away with certain things na only you can get away with? Kasi not many lawyers can do what you do.
No, in fact, I'm surprised that people are surprised. Kasi in my mind, it is not intentional. My one-liners or my
Zingers.
zingers, it's not intentional. It just comes, and hopefully it is not seen as disrespect, no. And of course I get feedback. Maraming natutuwa, maraming nagagalit, but I'm very mindful because you have to respect the court, no? Not so much the senators, but the position. They're all judges.
And the process,
In the process,
the Constitution.
this is a serious process. It's not like any other case I've handled. No, this will not determine the life of a client, or a family, or a corporation. This is the whole nation, and not only the nation now, the nation in the future generations. No? So, the burden really, and the desire to do your best can be terrifying. Because people, when I meet people, they say, attorney, nagdadasal po kami, galingan niyo po, and all that. But we also know that there are many variables, no?
So the stakes are high. But I have to ask, I think you volunteered because of the situation we're in and you want to contribute, but we live in a very polarized democracy already, or a society. So how do you assess the country and how do you deal with the polarization na most of the people who love you are the people who will agree, quote-unquote, with the side that you are lawyering for, versus the people who will not like you or who bash you are the people who don't side with the prosecution? How do you deal with that, and what's the future for Philippine democracy?
I think this is where we go back to basics. No? When people blame our politicians, we have to go back to why are they there? We voted for them, di ba? So we don't blame the politicians. We don't blame them. We have to blame ourselves. So I always say when I'm interviewed, let's not give up hope. If this generation is gone, let's think about the next generation. So the good leaders are out there. You, for instance. I mean, there are many young, good leaders out there. What we have now are recycled leaders. Why? Because people say it's guns, goons, and gold. It's a cliche.
And dynasties.
And dynasties. Guns, goons, dynasties, plus. To me, it's the economic situation. People are poor. So you give a 5,000. Dati, when you buy votes, 500 pesos, 100 pesos. Now you buy families.
Inflation.
No,
Grabe.
sasabihin na lang nila, ilan ba kayo? O GCash, 5,000. And people accept. And you know how Pinoys are, no? We accept and we're loyal. Even if, ito nga, binigyan ako ng 5,000, yung pamilya ko, yung isa, hindi. Ito na lang iboboto ko. So that kind of mentality, that kind of thinking, we have to break that cycle. So
Wow.
let's not blame the impeachment. Let's not blame our leaders.
lawyers?
No? Let's blame ourselves.
Very sobering, but also inspiring. I think that's a great point to make.